Now I'd like to invite Dr. K. Hema Malini Madam, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, for the conference sum up.
Distinguished dignitaries, learned professors, delegates, conference participants from various institutions and universities, and dear students. A very pleasant evening to all of you. In this golden dawn, moving towards the Platinum Jubilee celebration at 2022, the PG Department of Commerce has extended its feathers by collaborating and organizing various events and programs with various national institutions for the betterment of the standard of these students. And one such added feather is the MOU entered by the Department of Commerce with Indian Institute of Banking and Finance Mumbai in the year 2018 to offer certificate and diploma courses in banking and finance for the students of Mitra College. As part of the MOU activity, a UGC-sponsored one-day national conference was organized by the PG Department of Commerce in association with IIBF, Mumbai, and Insurance Institute of India in the year 2018 with the theme Banking and Insurance, a Catalyst Towards India's Vision 2022. Now, the Department of Commerce is really proud and acclaims itself to collaborate again with Indian Institute of Banking and Finance Mumbai and Global Research Conference Forum Pune in organizing the one-day international virtual conference on FinTech 2.0, a new epoch of financial inclusion on the 19th Saturday 2022. On behalf of the Department of Commerce, it gives me immense pleasure to sum up the conference proceedings. The virtual international conference was conducted through Zoom Meet, wherein 380 participants, including students, delegates, and faculty members from various institutions and universities, participated in this forum. Dr. A. Morgan, Head and Associate Professor of Department of Commerce, welcomed the gathering and highlighted the theme of the conference. Dr. J. Suresh, Principal of Mitra College, in his principal address expressed that commerce plays a very important role for economic development of a country, and such kind of conferences, seminars, and workshops would really enhance and enable the students to update themselves with recent developments in commerce discipline. The Secretary of a Mitra College Board, Sri C.A.S. Narnagopal Sir, delivered the presidential address, and in his presidential address, he stressed the importance and implications of technology in financial inclusion. In this deliberation, he highlighted that FinTech Wave 2 focuses on equal access of Indian financial system to the common people. It has led global financial system under one roof. Dr. S. Suryanarayanan, Chief Coordinator of the Mitra College, felicitated the gathering. Shri Biswa Ketan Das, CEO of IIBF Mumbai, in his inaugural address, highlighted the role of banking sector towards technological upgradation for more inclusive financial growth. Shri Thiruma Vellavan, Deputy Director of IIBF Mumbai, in his keynote address, gave a detailed deliberation on the transformation of Indian traditional banking system to financial technological growth. IIBF gave a brief note on the role of Indian Institute of Banking and Finance and how it serves as a literacy and financial strength for the student community. Dr. S. Chandrasekhar, Assistant Professor of Commerce, delivered the vote of thanks for the inaugural session. The technical session 1 was followed after the inaugural session, which focused on the theme, FinTech, a Game Changer. Dr. S. Selvakumar, Assistant Professor of Commerce, welcomed and introduced the resource person, Dr. Nova Belraj, Asia Pacific International University, Thailand. Dr. Prakash Divakaran, CEO of Global Research Conference Forum, Pune, delivered the vote of thanks. In the afternoon session, the technical session 2 focused on the theme, blockchain and cryptocurrency. Dr. Y. Natarajan, Assistant Professor of Commerce, welcomed and introduced the resource person, CMA Srinivasa Prasad, Finance and ERP Consultant, Hyderabad. Dr. S. Ramachandran, Assistant Professor of Commerce, delivered the vote of thanks for the technical session 2. A paper presentation session was followed by the technical session 2. Dr. M. Muthukumar, Principal MKU Constant College, Madurai, and Dr. K. Uma, Assistant Professor, Madurai Kamraj University, were the chairpersons for the paper presentation session. Ms. S. Kirtika, Assistant Professor of Commerce, welcomed and introduced the chairpersons. Various delegates, scholars, and students from various institutions and universities presented their research paper on various sub-themes. Ms. G. Sridevi, Assistant Professor and Coordinator of Self-Finance Team of Commerce Department, had kept the rapporteur's report. And Ms. P. Jayalakshmi delivered the vote of thanks for this session. At this juncture, I am very much obliged and in expressing my sincere word of appreciation to all our eminent speakers in sharing the expertise knowledge on various perspectives of today's conference. Their valuable thoughts and sagacious guidance will no doubt serve our department in good stead and would definitely move our department to greater heights in the progress of our student community. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, madam, for your brief sum up.